Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this is from Influenster, and it is from a brand called Bioclarity. So if you guys want to see what I got in this Voxbox, then keep watching. So if you don't know what Influencer is, it is an amazing website that basically you sign up and you pick your preferences, like makeups. I think makeup and skincare are one, maybe not. Anyway, cooking, pets, you guys get it. You do surveys, you can review products, you can answer questions about products if people have anything like that. Just you pretty much review products, and the more you review, the more Voxboxes you receive. So I received this for free, complimentary from Influencer for testing purposes only, and all my opinions are my own, but in today's video I'm just doing an unboxing to show you guys what I got. So this is the box from Bioclarity. I love the box. I just love the green, and I just think like the leaves are cool on it too. I don't know, and I like the way it opens up. Normally they open like this way, but this one opens like this, so you open it up inside. So on the lid here it just says Bioclarity, at Bioclarity, their social media, their hashtags Bioclarity and Power of Green, and it says ditch dirty, get glowy and clean and green skincare, 100% vegan and cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, gluten free, and this says Floralux, from plants, feeds your skin and gives you glow. So I'm really excited for this. So from every box from Influencer, you always get some kind of card. So this is what the card looks like. This one just says Bioclarity, let's be better and bring on the plants. And then on this side it says all greens, no gunk. It's time to clean up your skincare act and free your face because what healthy food does to your body, Bioclarity does for your skin. Plant potent skincare routine made to work without worry, using garden giving goodness from plants that you know, plus Floralux, our secret ingredient from chlorophyll. It's serious skin superfood that'll nourish your skin so that it can flourish. And like I said, it's cruelty free, vegan, it's derived naturally with Floralux, and clean and green. So this is how the products came in this cute little canvas pouch. I keep saying canvas couch. And it says Bioclarity, and then you open it up and all of the products are inside. So I got 3 products in here. I just don't want to like spill them all over the place because then they all fly everywhere, and that's no fun. So these are the 3 products. First, we have their Keeping It Clean cleanser, and this has cucumber, green tea, and chamomile. So from my understanding on the back of this card, cleanse is obviously step number 1, and this just says to use it in the morning and at night. And it is a cooling, detoxifying, and calming cleanser that washes away dirt, oil, and environmental pollutants. And then you just use a nickel-sized amount on wet skin and massage with fingertips. Rinse well with warm water. Pat and dry, avoid getting in eyes. And if that occurs, just rinse your eyes out with water. Which, if you've been with my channel for a while, you know that I'm really good at getting that stuff in my eyes. Next up is Restore Power of Green, and this has the Floralux in it. So this, you nourish your skin with soothing green restore packed with superfood ingredients such as Floralux from chlorophyll. There's niacinamide, probably said that wrong, witch hazel water, licorice root, and gotu-kola. This ultra nourishing, nutrient rich, redness reducing antioxidant powerhouse will have your skin glowing in no time. So again, this you can use day and night, and you just do 1 to 2 pumps onto clean skin twice daily. Rub into skin until absorbed. Avoid getting in eyes. This sounds really cool. So this is step 2 after you cleanse. And then the third and final step is hydrate. And this is a skin smoothie with Floralux, argan, and olive. So this says hydrate your skin with this lightweight and breathable moisturizer that is designed for the most sensitive skin. And you just, again, use twice daily or as needed to restore hydration to the skin. So also in here, it came with this little guide, and it's kind of just like a little pamphlet of everything else. But I'm really excited to use this. So we got the essentials. That's what I got. And it is best for normal to dry skin. I have dry skin. My nose especially is like super dry all the time, and I don't know why. But this just all sounds so amazing. I'm definitely going to do a skincare routine with this and a review to let you guys know how it's working. I definitely am excited to see if it helps minimize pores and redness, because those are two things that I have on my face. As you can tell, redness, and I have pores, which you might not be able to tell. I also might kind of like vlog my journey with it and put it into like one whole review video. Let me know how you guys want to see that, because I'm very excited for these products. They sound absolutely amazing. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much, Influenster, for sending me these items. I'm so excited to use them all because they sound fantastic. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. Or if you have any questions about Influenster, again, let me know in the comments down below. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!